Hopefully everyone's having a great day and welcome to Crypto Morning Alpha. If you haven't been to the channel before, welcome to Alchemy Meta. My name is EQ and I'm here to help you become a better crypto trader. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. 3 days ago, I posted a video on YouTube and TikTok. I was talking about a potential short position that was coming once we were entering this high volatility zone on the hour and 4 hour charts. This long-term uptrend was starting to test being broken. And we had a nice ride down. I'm finally taking profits on this short that you're seeing. Shout out to anyone in our VIP trading group that took advantage of this shorting opportunity. But today we're starting to see that price is holding on the 600 moving average. This is very bullish to see. And we're starting to show oversold across the board on the oscillators. Now the one thing I'm really waiting for is to see volume come back on the hourly and start to show more bullish trend. But in terms of a sniper entry with a low risk for a stop loss, this is a great position. This is not financial advice. This is just things that I'm looking at and will be taking advantage myself. And when I zoom in a little closer, you can see we have a bullish crossover potential. We have the green spooky, which is showing a lot of green potential. And when you zoom out, we're looking at a hidden bullish divergence potential. This is kind of what a hidden bullish divergence will look like in terms of price action and oscillators. And really what it's telling you is that a long-term trend is going to be continuing. So in layman terms, a hidden divergence is a continuation pattern and a regular divergence is a reversal pattern. And not just a candlestick reversal, but an actual trend reversal or a trend continuation. And here's an example from one of my favorite altcoins, Polygon, where we can see that all the oscillators are trending down except for volume, which is bullish. We are in an uptrend. We're testing the 600 moving average as a support. We're also sitting on the 50 fib, which is an ideal position for a continuation pattern or a continuation breakout. And a lot of times these continuation bounces love to go to take profit one, which is just over $1 right now, which would be a major psychological resistance. And if this happened to fail the support and break down a little bit further, right at the 6180, we're looking at the 200 EMA, which could also be a really nice support hold. And then finally, the last support area I'd be looking for Polygon is around 62 cents at the 78.60. And these areas are all based directly on the Fibonacci retracement. If you want to see some other charts and some other plays that we're looking at for the day, make sure to join the Alchemy trading group. If you didn't subscribe to the channel and you found anything useful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It'd be greatly, greatly appreciated. Hopefully everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world. And we'll catch you on the next video.